Today I'm checking out this set of nuts and bolts and screws from VEVOR. They sent me this asking my opinion on it and make this short video. So here's everything you're going to get. This is a whole box set here of SAE size nuts and bolts. So you're going to get washers, all kinds of nuts here, and then bolts. And these are in your sizes on the small side from up from 5/8 down to a quarter here. And these are all kinds of different sizes. They've got the numbers that correspond as well. So a number 6, 32 by 3/8. And here's another number 8, 32 by 5/8. So all these different sizes. You're going to have a certain count of each. So 20 of those, 5 of those, 105 of these flat washers, 25 of these nuts down here. Comes with a great assortment here. So as you're looking through for the right size here, you've got a guide not only on the cover, but on the inside cover also. It's really well thought out so that you can find the appropriate size nut, bolt, and washer for your application. So here I've got these larger ones here. It's a 3/8 by 1.5 inches. So it's a much larger bolt than a lot of the other options in here. This is the SAE group here. You're going to get the same thing across metric, and it's nice here how they've got it organized. Metric 3, 4, 4s all the way across, 5s, 6s, and even some 8s. So from 3 to 8 in different millimeter lengths as well. Then you've got all the appropriate washers and nuts for those also. Same deal, it's got the imprint on the inside so you can find the right part quite easily, and you're going to get a lot of these. So you'll solve a lot of household problems when you're just looking for that wrong size bolt that you can't find it, and then you keep fiddling through all the nuts and bolts in your drawers. This is going to find the right size bolt. It's going to be real easy to quickly zero in on what you need here using the guides that are on these boxes. So really well made. I like how the boxes are put together, keeps everything organized. The final thing you're going to get here is this set of wood screws. So this is, again, imprinted front and back here. And you're going to see that you got from 2-inch all the way down to 3/8. So very, very tiny ones down in here. And then a long 2-inch wood screw right here. These are all zinc, and these are quite nice overall. Really got a good size Phillips head here, so it's not going to strip on you when you're using these wood screws. So, hey, I hope this is helpful. Learn about this set from VEVOR. All kinds of different tool, nuts and bolt combinations in here. Easy to store, got their own boxes with the guides. Really well done. Hope that helps. Have a great day.